In early May 2024, he bought kegs of palm oil for 19,000 naira to 21,000 naira each. By late November, he sold those same kegs for 42,000 naira each. That's 100% profit on his very first attempt. But here's a twist. Just 1 week later, that same palm oil sold in the same market for 60,000 naira per keg. Hello, let's talk about something that we all use every single day. Palm oil is what I call red gold. It is in almost every kitchen. It's in every pot of soup, every roadside akara, every jollof rice. It is in cosmetics, in detergents, even in industries. And here's the shocking truth. Why many Nigerians see palm oil as ordinary, many ordinary people are quietly building wealth from it. Let me give you a real life story. Last year, one of my followers did his NYC in Osun State. He noticed women in the market buying palm oil, storing it, and selling later at higher prices. He decided to try. In early May 2024, he bought kegs of palm oil for 19,000 naira to 21,000 naira each. By late November, he sold those same kegs for 42,000 naira each. That's 100% profit on his very first attempt. But here's the twist. Just 1 week later, that same palm oil sold in the same market for 60,000 naira per keg. He regretted selling too early, and I told him straight, what you got is what was due to you. That regret was greed talking. And in business, greed can destroy you faster than loss. The lesson, he made money because he acted. From 21,000 to 42,000 naira. No crypto, no stock exchange, just palm oil. Now let me give you another example. On our WhatsApp platform, I met a smart guy in Lagos. He doesn't just sell palm oil, he packages it. Sachets, neat jars, professional labels. And here's the creative part. He focuses on the lighter liquid part of the top oil of palm oil, ignoring the heavier part at the bottom. That is his niche. Today, that ordinary packaging business pays the salaries of 6 to 10 full-time staff. From palm oil, that's why I say palm oil is not just food, it is money. Some are making money by simply buying and storing. During harvest season, palm oil is everywhere and prices drop. But the smart ones buy in bulk, keep it in kegs, and when it's off-season, they sell for double, sometimes triple the amount. That ordinary palm oil ignore is paying school fees, building houses, and putting food on people's tables. Others are cashing out through processing. You don't need a plantation to win in this game. Farmers harvest bunches, but somebody has to press them. If you own even a small mill, people bring their fruit, you charge for processing, and still keep oil for sale. That's daily money right there. Then there's the packaging angle. Like the guy I mentioned in Lagos. If you package palm oil neatly in sachets, jars, or bottles, you attract supermarkets, city buyers, and even exporters. This is one of the biggest gaps Nigerians have ignored, which is why Ghana is taking the lead abroad. And don't forget bulk supply. Some companies want machine-pressed oil. Others prefer the locally cooked traditional method of producing oil. Some need palm oil as raw material for detergents, cosmetics, and food. If you can supply them consistently, that's steady income all year. So whether it's storage, processing, packaging, or bulk supply, palm oil is red gold, and ordinary Nigerians are already cashing out from it. Palm oil is produced in so many states: Osun, Edo, Delta, Enugu, Akwa Ibom, Cross River. The truth is, palm oil is one of the easiest ways to enter agribusiness. Whether it's storage, processing, packaging, or supply, there's money at every level of the chain. So here's my challenge to you. Will you keep seeing palm oil as ordinary, or will you open your eyes to see the red gold that it truly is? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you are ready, if you are already in the palm oil business, tell us what has worked for you. Storage, packaging, supply, or processing. Educate me too. I learned from scars, from stories, and from this community. And remember, if you are serious about agriculture, join our WhatsApp community. It is dedicated strictly to agriculture business. The link is in the description below. Also, grab my ebook on starting a scalable agriculture commodities business. It will guide you step by step. And if this video gave you value, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.